Naked Thriving's Illuminate Serum is specifically formulated to visibly brighten and even out skin's appearance while targeting common signs of aging such as dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. The key ingredient bakuchiol is a natural alternative to retinol, renowned for its potent antioxidant properties and its effectiveness in reducing the signs of aging without causing skin irritation. The serum's powerful botanical blend includes vitamin C, bearberry, gooseberry, mulberry, kakadu plum, baobab seed, licorice root, and ferulic acid. These ingredients work together to support a brighter and more even skin tone. For the best results, it is recommended to use both serum and oil in your skincare routine, and here's how to incorporate them. After cleansing and toning your skin, apply the Illuminate Serum and allow it to absorb fully for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, apply 4 to 7 drops of moisturizing face oil such as the Rejuvenate Restorative Face Oil, Detox Balancing Face Oil, or Prevent Anti-Aging Face Oil. Massage the oil into your skin and let it absorb for 3 to 5 minutes. After the oil has been absorbed, you can continue with your regular skincare routine such as applying moisturizer, sunscreen, or makeup. This was a review for Naked Thriving Illuminate Brightening Serum.